Hi, this is Jesse Stobnitsky with Performance Brokerage Services. Over the years, we've advised countless NAMAD members with their buy-sell needs. From helping managers turn their dreams of becoming a dealer into a reality, to guiding dealers through the complex sale process towards a well-deserved retirement. We are immensely proud to be sponsoring NAMAD's 44th annual membership meeting in Miami, Florida. Be sure to join our workshop on Wednesday, August 21st at 3 p.m. as we explore the keys to a successful buy-sell, a panel discussion by your dealer peers and advisors. In this crash course, you'll gain insight on the current buy-sell market, understand how dealerships are being valued post-COVID, and obtain keys to ensure a successful transaction. As the highest volume dealership brokerage firm in North America, you'll gain access to real-time and relevant information directly from the trenches of the buy-sell market. If you're considering a purchase or a sale in the next few years, this is the place to start. Our team of expert advisors will be on site the entire show and available to answer any of your questions. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you there.